こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make tofu steaks with Japanese BBQ sauce. These quick and easy tofu steaks are utterly tasty. The savory and sweet Japanese-style barbecue sauce is made with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, sugar, apple, lemon, and sesame. This umami-packed barbecue sauce transforms simple tofu and vegetables into a mouth-watering delight. Okay, let's get started. Wrap 300 grams of firm tofu in kitchen paper or clean cloth and put some weight on the top to press out the excess moisture. Leave it for about 20 minutes. Finely chop 1 spring onion. Now, we're gonna make the Japanese barbecue sauce. Grate 1 clove of garlic, a little piece of ginger, and a quarter of an apple. Roughly grind half a tablespoon of sesame seeds with a pestle and mortar. In a bowl, place the grated garlic, ginger, apple, and ground sesame seeds. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and about 2 teaspoons of squeezed lemon juice. Mix well. The Japanese barbecue sauce is done. Cut the tofu into bite-sized blocks. And lightly season with salt and black pepper. Place 3 tablespoons of cornflour or potato starch on a plate and coat the tofu blocks with it. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan. Cook the tofu blocks over medium heat until golden brown on all sides. Once the tofu blocks are cooked, transfer them to a plate and set aside. Add a little vegetable oil in the frying pan. Add 1 pack of beansprouts, about 200 to 300 grams. Lightly season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. And stir fry over medium heat for about 2 minutes. Arrange the bean sprouts on a serving plate. Top with the tofu steaks. Drizzle with the Japanese barbecue sauce. and garnish with the chopped spring onion. できた! Serve with steamed plain rice. Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, this barbecue sauce brings an incredible depth of flavor to the Hambu tofu steaks, and the flavor goes well with the fluffy rice too. She is completely satisfied. Thank you for watching Furi Kitchen. ありがとう. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね